Hey, we're now going to go to the third sum, alright? And what is this sum about? Answering mathematics questions. Now, Mrs. Devi from Real Maths Center designed 50 maths questions, numbered from 1 to 50. Pupils can choose a question at random. Find the probability that a number of the question chosen is a prime number, a perfect square, a two-digit number, and a number, the question number, is divisible by 2 or by 5. Now look at the sum. You have 50 questions, and it can be number 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you're going to pick at random. So let's look at what prime numbers are. What are prime numbers under 50? So it is, 1 is not a prime number, 2, 3, what else? 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, alright, 31, what else? 37, and we have 41, 43, 47. Now these are all the prime numbers. Without prime number, prime minister, how many prime ministers do you have in any country? 1 prime. Very important, right? So prime numbers make up the world of numbers. From prime numbers comes composite numbers. I think if you get back to my video, one of them had it about prime numbers, composite numbers, and many other things, all right, relating to numbers. Now, if you look at the number of numbers, how many of numbers are prime? Prime numbers, that's less than 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the probability that you will get a prime number, you pick a prime number, all right, is what I said, 15, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 out of 50 questions are prime numbers. That's the chance of a number being a prime. Reduce it, my dear, 3 out of 10. All right? 30% are prime numbers. Next, what is the sum asking you? They said, hey, what is the chance that it's a perfect square, the number selected? Earlier on, we talked about prime number. The next one is a perfect square. So what numbers are perfect squares? Perfect squares are like 1 squared, 2 squared is a 4, you have 9, you have 16, and then you have 25, 36, and 49. These numbers are perfect squares, all right? A whole number, when you square it out, and that's called 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7. Whereas 8 times 8 is 64, is not in that numbered list. So how many numbers are there as a perfect square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the probability of getting a perfect square, all right, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 50. So do you see that? It's so easy, all right, probability, that you can look at it. Now the next part of it they want is a two-digit number. Now you get a two-digit number. What is the probability of getting a two-digit number? 1 to 50. How many of them are one digit? 1 to 9. The rest of them are all 2 digits. So the probability of getting a two-digit number is 50 take away 9. That's 41 questions with 2-digit numbers. So probability of getting a two-digit number is, you can take 50 take away 9 questions, you've got 41 out of 50. Alright? So that's the beauty of it. And the last part of it, they want you to find out a number that's divisible by 2 and by 5. Haha! Look at numbers divisible by 2. That means they must be even numbers. And it's divisible by 2 or 5. They put the word or. So that gives you, they didn't say 2 and 5. Then that's a different thing altogether. So the numbers that's divisible by 2, what are they? All the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, you can go on. And in 50, how many numbers are even numbers? Right up to, you can go 48 and 50. The probability of getting even numbers, yes, is actually from 2 to 50, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, if you go on, is half the number, 25 out of 50. Agreeable? And the probability that a number is divisible by 5, what is it? The probability that you pick up a number that is also divisible by 5. Alright? You've got divisible by 5. What numbers are they? You have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I'm deliberately writing these numbers down because I want you to see that some of them are already in there. And who are they? Yes, a number that's even is already in there. Alright, these are all even numbers which is in there. And those that are not in there are 5, 15, 25, 35, and 45. So you've got 5 numbers that's not part of it. So the probability of it being even, alright, or divisible by 5 is actually, you've got 25 numbers here plus 5 numbers, and that gives us a 30 out of 50. Reduce it, and that's a 3/5. Right? So it looks so easy, but just give a deeper thought. And not sometimes, problems are really easy, but we tend to make it a little bit messy and complicated and think, what is it? Like a number that's 2-digit, then you play around, first number, second number. Don't need. Just look at the numbers of 50. What's the chance that you're going to pick one question number? One number. Because all those cards, the question numbers, they're not separated. Question 27, question 28, they're one by itself. So you can see that there's 41 out of 50 questions. As for numbers that's divisible by 2, you can really see, alright, even numbers and odd numbers, they're 25 even, 25 odd. And some of these numbers that's divisible by 5, some of them are also even numbers. So they're already counted in there. Why recount? So the numbers that's divisible by 5 that's not counted are these numbers: 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Add the 5 to the 25 even numbers, you have 30 out of 50. So look at it again. Davies Real Math Center questions. Alright, what's prime number, perfect number, 2-digit number, divisible by 5? And we can even ask you the numbers that are multiples of 3. And look at that, how many of them are multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9. Just list the numbers. And then out of 50 questions. Alright? We've got 2 more lovely sums to do. And you will see your confidence in probability getting better each time.